Welcome back to Miller's Off-Road. What a view. I'm at a spot I've always wanted to come to. Stay tuned.
Okay, go ahead, Josh. So we've just come down this insane highway. We don't know if these trails are going to lead to anything at all, but there's a trail back there we might come back and hit. We just don't know. Don't know nothing about this area. We've been cruising on highway and gravel basically the entire morning. It's been awful, to say the least. But we happened upon this trail, so, or whatever this is, so we decided to take it. Why not? We are crazy far away from the truck, I know that. No, there hasn't been anything worth recording. So folks, we are farther away from our truck than we've probably ever been. We just got these really wide, like, Forest Service trails, and they're just not film worthy to me, so I haven't been filming them. But hopefully we're about to climb out of this. Hopefully these trails that I've got on here are decent. We've been flying. To tell you how uneventful these trails are, we've been averaging about 40 miles an hour down these things. I mean, they're just wide. They're so big and they're smooth and tame. Go ahead, Josh. Let's hit it. Oh, no, 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 no. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. I don't know when I said left.
Oh, it wasn't left to me, it was straight.
No, to the right.
My bad.
You're good, you're good. So we come back down the mountain, and we took a trail that was an offshoot. Let's see if this one's any good. I have my doubts. Strong doubts, actually. Beautiful creek. Looks great so far, but I'm sure it'll turn to crap soon, or there'll be a gate or a sign. It's just been a pretty crap day for us riding, honestly. Oh, what's this? What's this right here? A sign that says nothing, no trespassing on the ride, and a gate. What in the world?
The gate got mowed down.
It looks like we're going through the gate. Oh well. They're not going to maintain this stuff. We're going to keep rolling.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Big Rock Lookout. That's Big Rock Lookout right there.
Yes, sir.
It looks quite grown up.
Yep.
Quite. Where'd the trail go? Right here. Maybe. Yep.
Oh, stop to the left.
Oh, well, there's a trail here too.
There's a trail to the left there.
Okay.
Gotcha. I'll go wherever. This is better. This is more growing up.
Yeah, I think we probably should have took it to the left. I'm gonna get down in this creek.
Yeah, I don't see nothing cutting across
No,
here.
I don't.
It looks maybe unless it just loops right back around.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, this is trash. Try to get turned around here. Trail to the left back there, you say?
Hey.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. I don't need four-wheel drive. Just a little trail down to the creek, I guess, is all it was. Awfully grown up.
Yep.
Doesn't look like anyone's been up here.
I just see deer hunter stuff.
I guess. I don't know. Kind of crazy. It shows that we are headed to that trail that we've seen that was kind of grown up looking.
Yep. Yep.
Which would make sense. This one's dang near grown up. Yeah, we need to turn back. Hey, you know that spot where we crossed the creek and we turned back? Yeah, let's just get out of here. We did finally make it to a spot I've wanted to go to for a long time. I wanted to go up here for a long, long time. I've seen other people take pictures of it, videos. I just thought it was really cool. This is called Devil's Lookout Tower, and it is crazy far north, especially from the from the truck. It's really far away. I don't know what's down there. That's kind of interesting. But anyways, here it is. Devil's Lookout Tower.
Oh, that bird.
There's birds up in there, dude. Let me park right here.
Oh, that's a big old bird.
Look at him, man. That's crazy. All right, let's take a video off the drone.
Love to climb to the top. Obviously they got it fenced in, and they even had to take the bottom couple rungs of ladders or stairs off so people wouldn't climb up in there. But this is called Devil's Lookout Tower, and man, the views up here are spectacular. There's a little walkway here. You can kind of see out, see the view. I'm sure in the winter time, when there's no foliage on or leaves, you can really see, but man, just a spectacular view from this point or perspective. Show you how steep it drops right here. Man, that's probably a good, I'm going to say 100, 150 feet, something like that. It's just straight down off this wall. Beautiful up here though, absolutely beautiful.
Check out this view, folks. How beautiful is that? Man, oh man. Elevation 2,343 feet. Quite incredible. Check this little section out right here. I have no idea what that is or used to be. No clue. Obviously man-made there too, looks like. I don't know what that is. Almost like somebody used to live up here or something, or I don't know.
I don't know.
All right, Josh.
Missouri boys.
Yeah, Missouri boys. Couple of overland dudes come up here. All right. Back to more gravel and pavement, most likely. Just been a bad day for us. It's bound to happen once in a while, where you just don't find a trail worth of crap. And that has basically been our story. Wipe your lens real quick. All right, so we finally made it to an actual trail. This doesn't look deep to Josh, but it looks deep to me.
Well, because I see that stick
Yeah.
laying in there. That's
I hope
my
it's
only.
not deep.
That's my only reason.
Oh, good deal. Good deal. Okay. Yeah, we finally found an actual trail. It's taking us back the direction we want to go, which is kind of back towards the truck a little bit. This trail hasn't been too bad. An actual trail, not a gravel road.
Sure.
Which is refreshing for once.
Keep bottom on that.
Yep. Pine needles. Hopefully this trail keeps going. On my map it shows it does. Looks like we've had a little destruction here going on.
Yep.
I guess this is the trail. Yeah, looks like it. Alright. It shows that this trail is going to take us all the way out to the highway. I hope it does.
Yes, sir.
Out of this area. You know, that's probably not too deep, but there's a go around
That
there.
one I don't.
You got that, Josh?
Yep.
A little too much off camber for my.
Well, I went further to the left, so I was able just to come around at the bottom.
I understand. Woo! That's some camber. Yep.
Yeah, it's a good one.
This shows it's going to take us out to the highway. It better. One way or the other. I don't care if I got a bushwhack to get there.
Oh,
my
no truck.
gosh.
Dang
Are you
it.
kidding me? Are you
Now
kidding
we actually do have to go back out.
Alright. Alright. This is...
Son of a
This is...
gun.
And you know what? They've got it all purple painted. Yeah, there's not a
Yep.
chance I'm going through that. I ain't going through that. Violators will be prosecuted. Not a chance I'm going through that.
Very nice.
Alright, we just turned off the highway. Let's see how far we can get without hitting a no trespassing sign or a gate that says closed. Ooh, this might be a low gear trail, Josh.
Yeah.
You know, I've been leading for quite a while. I feel the need to follow. So we're headed up to Pilot Rock Mountain. Pilot Rock.
Yeah.
Now let's see how far we get till we get a tree down.
Yep.
Oh man. rough little trail.
No, I mean, it's broken.
Yeah.
You fellas
Skinny.
behind.
Yes, I have. Somebody's beating the crap out of that Can-Am.
It was made for it. Oh, here's your down tree.
I knew it was coming. At least it's passable.
Yep.
I'm waiting for the one we can't get around. We haven't hardly completed a trail today. Every time.
Rock in the middle, big rock.
Okay.
Oh, there's a split to the right.
We want to stay straight. Stay straight. That's a hiking trail.
Correct. They're home. Coming. Nope.
You can tell there ain't nobody coming down this trail.
Nope, here's a little water running through.
Yeah, ditch in the middle of the trail.
Sure. Carving our own path here.
It's kind of ridiculous.
Yep.
Maybe we should have went right back there. This shows that it's the official trail. This is nuts.
I'm
Continue to
mow down
strike out.
trees. Holy crap.
You want to turn back?
Oh, well,
my
it's fine. I
God.
mean, I'm just mowing down these little saplings. There, it goes to the right.
Okay.
Keep coming, bud.
Yeah, we're climbing this mountain. That's what we're doing.
There we go.
Watch us get to the top and there's a gate. I'm sure there will be.
Yeah. Somebody's lived through here for the 4-wheeler.
No kidding?
Texas. Well, it looks like the grass, it looks like it's been moved.
Yeah,
By a track as wide as mine.
right. At least we're moving here.
Yep, a little bit.
We're not struggling terribly.
Yeah, it's not bad. Hey, been through here on a 4-wheeler.
Yeah. Yeah, somebody's been keeping this somewhat mowed down. Hope we don't run into somebody hunting back here.
That would be bad.
That would not be cool. And we've already seen a fair bit of guys doing
Should they be hunting in the middle of the afternoon?
Well, it is getting late. They should probably be in their stand by now. It wouldn't surprise me if they were. Put it to you that way.
Try hunting off of a place not a trail.
Yeah. Yeah. Just wide enough for a 4-wheeler.
something to the roof. Here's the road. Gravel road.
That's crazy. There's no closed trail sign on
Yes,
this
sir.
end.
I just had to make the call in order for us to make it.
I guess that's what it was. Yeah, you running out?
Well, yeah, it hesitated, but
Yeah. Keep going a little bit.
I guess you better not totally run it out.
Here. No, you're fine. Keep going a little bit. Right up here, we can pull off.
Yeah.
I think there's a pull off right up here. Yeah, right here. Right? No? That ain't it.
I ain't gonna make it.
Okay.
I'm out.
Okay. You ran out?
Yep. 98.4.
Okay. So Josh just ran out of fuel, which means I'm fixing to run out of fuel. His speedometer's off a little bit because he increased his tire size. So we've actually done 89.2 miles. And we've made it to, here's Pilot Rock. Well, right there's the entrance to Pilot Rock. So we've had a heck of a day, let me tell you. Time to fuel them up.
What a beautiful view. It's about 3:30, something like that, last I checked. So the entrance to Pilot Rock, or Pilot Knob, whatever, is right up there. And we just had to stop and fuel up the machines. I went a little farther than Josh did to fuel mine up. So just got fueled up, and we're fixing to get back on the road, see if we can hit some more trails. But thought I'd pull out the camera and show this beautiful view while I've got a minute. Really cool up here. Love it.
Way up in the sky.
All right. We put a little fuel in, make sure we're strapped, double check everything. Good there, good there. Okay, Josh, I think we're ready. This is a kind of a dangerous little road here, so probably need to stay single file. We'll just go slow. I don't really want to go up the Pilot Knob. We've been up there plenty of times. Really cool view though. Anyways, that 2-gallon rotor pack put me back up to a half tank, which is probably about 45 miles that we can run now. But it's so late in the day, we're just going to find this trail that goes back to the truck. And it's a trail that we've never been on before, so maybe it'll be decent. We'll see. Nice and slow, Josh. We don't want to push this corner for sure.
Yep.
You go off this.
Your thing
out?
keeps cutting out right in the middle of you talking.
Oh, that's weird. Still cutting out now?
No.
Okay.
What
Okay.
you were talking about?
Look
You
at
were
that
talking
view.
about. There's the rocket there.
Yeah. So, always have to look at the map to see it, but and remember which one's which. But I believe that's Pilot Rock, and I believe what we just passed is Pilot Knob. And
Right.
if I'm not mistaken, Pilot Rock is just a little bit higher in elevation. No question, it's got a better view because there's not as much trees surrounding it. But if you want to get to Pilot Rock, I believe, the trail to get up there is quite treacherous on a quad and pretty much undoable on a side-by-side, in my opinion. And that's the trail right there. It's all bushy, grown up. You'd have to mow down a few trees to get up it on a side-by-side, like big trees.
Yep.
It could be done, but it wouldn't be fun. I don't think you could back or turn around once you got up there.
Alright.
Anyways, all right, let's get to this trail. Very, very close to the trail. Should be a trail that cuts back to the right. We've never been down this trail. I can see it. We're on top of it. Okay, here we go. You ready, Josh?
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna let you take over, brother.
Yeah.
Take the lead. 1814. Let's do this. Trail that we've never taken before. The Mackspines area.
Cross on the right.
Yeah, we should be going downhill pretty much the entire trail, losing elevation.
Yep.
Tell this is a well-traveled trail here.
Butthole.
Josh actually went through it. What in the world?
It was short and shallow.
Boy, that's some stinky water, ain't it? Woo!
Yep.
Man, that water stinks.
Here's another one.
It looks to me like somebody just came through here.
I think so.
It looks like they're going the same direction we're going too,
Could be.
which is interesting.
Big action's going on. That's a nice trail.
Yeah, it is. It's a great trail. It's an actual trail. It's not a gravel
Yeah.
road. Nice high-speed trail too.
Sure.
Once again, it's one of those funky little trails that doesn't have a whole lot of rock, which is rare in this area.
Right. There's some rock.
Okay. I love the variety.
Yes, sir.
I will say we've been hard on the machines today. More water.
There's a four to the right, probably a hunter. Got a gun rack on it.
Got a gun rack.
Hey,
Don't stop. I seen that vest on, you know, it's like,
but I see the kind of bikes they had, the orange and stuff.
true. I was just looking at that like neon vest,
Sounds like-
thinking, who's this dude? I guess I guess they're smarter than us. They're dressed so that they don't get shot.
Right.
There we
I don't
go.
see why you need to wear orange. If they can't hear you until you're not a deer.
Yeah, you know, I don't know why you just shoot at something running through the woods if you can't see
Yeah,
it.
but we ain't
Why would
running.
you do
I mean-
that? I know, but
Yeah.
even if you were, why would you take a random shot like that?
Exactly.
It happens. It obviously happens, or they wouldn't, you know,
Right.
warn us about it.
Yep.
And we're back to the truck. Looks like it's still here. Thank goodness. It's only 4 o'clock, people, but we have no reserve fuel left. And we've just had kind of a crappy day of riding. We did not find the trails that we wanted to find. Very disappointed in that. But the Hogs won. They beat Florida in the swamp. Go Hogs. 94.6 miles today. 94.96. excuse me. 94.96 miles today. Yeah, we had a good trip. Let me go ahead and save this track.
What you got there, Josh?
Oh, leave back in muscle pain.
Back in muscle pain. We're sore.
And we like pills.
So the
Just
total,
kidding.
yeah, we like pills.
You're
Yeah,
gonna have to,
I'll have to edit that out.
you're gonna have to trash this.
Nah, man, I'm filthy. I can't wait to get a shower. Worst day of riding I've ever had in my life at any location. If you're going riding at Mackspines or Millcreek, do not waste your time going in between the two. Straight garbage. Straight garbage. There's a couple good trails that we go on from time to time in between that are really good. But overall, those are the worst trails I've ever been. There aren't any trails, are there?
No,
It's gravel roads.
Closed.
It's gravel roads.
Not there.
Yeah. I just turned off my camera, and I should have thought to turn it on every time we got to a trail closed, road closed. It's grown up.
Public.
It was just trash.
Private.
Private, yeah. There were just so many trails that were either grown up or closed or gated, or you get, how many trails did we go on that we got halfway down them and they just ended? They're just in, and you had to backtrack all the way out. We backtracked at least 5 or 6 trails we backtracked out of. Probably more than that, really. It was just awful. Just the worst day of riding I've ever had. Now, did we see some cool things? Yes, we seen the nice Cascade Falls, Pilot Rock. We got to go see, the Devil's Tower Lookout. That was cool. There's just no trails. There are no trails anywhere around like Ozone. If there are, we don't know where they're at. It's just gravel roads or these crazy tame forest roads that are like just awful. Like, we're doing 40 miles an hour down a trail. That's not a trail to me. I don't know. Not good. But we do appreciate you tuning in to this episode and the last couple episodes. Really, really appreciate the support. Hit the thumbs up button for us. That helps us out. Hit the subscribe button. We appreciate that. I promise you, the next time we come on a trip, the next time we're riding, you will see trails, and you will see good trails. I promise you. And for that, Miller's Off-Road. Out. Just came out of the Chick-fil-A. We're acting crazy right now. I'm 36 years old. Josh, how old are you? 39?
I'll be 40 in 13 minutes.
Josh is almost 40. We don't do night riding. We just never have. It's just not as interesting to us, I guess. But we're so disgusted.
Well, and we just rode 90 miles.
That's what I'm saying. We just rode 90 miles today. We're so disgusted
We go run another 90.
with the mileage that we ran today that we're going back to Max, man. It is 15. It's a 5:15 right now. We're in Russellville. We're going to fuel up the bikes right now, and we're heading back up there. We didn't even shower or nothing. Came to town. We're going to fuel up the machines. Got us a bite to eat, and we're going to be crazy. We're going to go ride some night trails. Don't know how good the cameras will pick that up, if at all, but we'll see.